Okay, I ran out of battery power, so I have to film the second part of this video. Line 22, 7b97 Colpitts Triode Oscillator Communications 2 formula. Okay, and we're talking about the keyword phase splitter, and from patent number 0736905. And then I looked at the abstract and made a formula from it. You'll have to see the previous video to read. I'm going to start again at the very beginning of the formula because I rushed through it so quickly. So this is from inventor Kenji Kasera from Nyan Dempa Co. Ltd. And August 17th. I was working on this. Today's the 18th. So formula from the data. We'll start over again. So oscillation, colliding particles, neutrinos, split leptons, fermions, split baryons, 5 axial forces. New standard model with 5 new boson particles found in line 22 well data. So if I say it's found in line 22, you look in line 22 for that keyword, and the formulas are in that set of videos. Unwanted vibrations, water molecules, sounds, B mode, suppressed stable mass, Higgs boson particle, which again, okay, so you guys haven't figured that one out yet. That's in the line 22 formulas. Okay, there's a formula on how to make that type of particle. Oscillation, I don't know if it works or not, but you can try it. Oscillation principle, prime numbers, vibration, water molecules, C mode, obtained Colpitts oscillator, piezoelectric crystals, fluoroscopy. I think that's spelled wrong. Yeah, there's supposed to be no there. Colliding particles. Repeat the neutrino mixtures above in the formulas from line 22 data. I better be specific, because if you haven't been watching all 1,000 videos, you're not going to know what I'm talking about. Sorry, I keep forgetting that. Vibrator transistor, first, second divided capacitive components. And I'd like to say thank you for anybody who has watched all 1,000 videos. Inserting feedback circuit, and please like them. I like that too. I appreciate it if you put a like beside my video for me. Inserting feedback circuit, microwires, a Shelby twist, nanotechnology, UFO core engine. Form ceramic coating around wires, connecting a third capacitive component, creating the Shelby twist with 3 wires, nano, carbon, and microwires. A first inductor series between connection midpoints, nodes, copper superalloys. And metals. And I'm going to make a note here. These 3 keywords, those 3 all have formulas in line 22 wow data. So every single keyword you see in this formula has a formula to go with it to make it, okay? It's very, very extensive. So superlattice mesh electron holes, again, electron holes, there's a formula for that too. Electron ribbon, pencil, laser beams, diffraction, obsidian mirrors, Higgs boson signals. Between first, sorry, I better explain something. Every single word that's in this formula has come up in the well data, and every one of them have a formula on how to create it and what it should be done with it. When I do the cross-referencing at the end between lines 1 to 27, I'm going to break it down for everybody so they know what they need to do, and then you guys decide who's going to do it. Electron ribbon, pencil, laser beams, diffraction, obsidian mirrors, Higgs boson signals. Between first capacitive component, crystal dust, diamond dust, mesh, carbon to carbon nanotubes, and create vacuum. The second capacitive component is RF frequency. Anode, cathode, graphite film, crystal wafer. See wow line 22 data formulas for these components. And this is where the camera ran out of power here. Emitter, transistor, Higgs boson electric field, Higgs mass boson particles, colliding neutrinos, mass particles with nanowires inside of them. So basically the particle is going to have little spikes coming out of it. I don't know how you're going to do that. I guess you would use like a fiber dust thing, and then you kind of put it in when the particle is like mushy, and then you bring it more to a more solid form before you collide it. I don't know if you know how to do that yet or not, but I'm sure there's formulas to do that too, just so you know, in line 22. Line 22, I've been working on it for a year. It's got lots of stuff in it. Inserting the second inductor creates semiconductor low noise amp frequency. Still got another couple hundred videos to go to. Parallel superlattice, string theory, Minkowski space. Second capacitive component, semiconductor, Higgs boson signal, receiver. Capture proton energies from Higgs signals. Setting the parallel resonance frequency, dual frequencies on each superlattice wall facing one another as signals bounce between the two mesh walls within the Higgs boson signals, electric fields and proton energies inside the carbon-to-carbon nanotube vacuum created in the electron holes in the mesh fabric of the crystalline. The diamond amplifies the long-distance communication signals into outer space and receiving satellites to bounce the signals around to Earth. Second capacitive component is second inductor in vicinity oscillation frequency oscillator cooled. Solar plasmas, dark matter, neutrinos, particles travel faster than the speed of light. See CERN test results 2012 as to what it did to do that. Was that the malfunction? Do it again. Or sorry, what was the malfunction? Do it again. Add RF signals, the frequency band, fluoroscope. I have something coming here. It's something to do with the waveform. Whatever the waveform was, that's what you want to look for. Here I put down look for waveform. I don't know what that means. So add the RF signals, the frequency band, fluoroscopy. One of these days I'll learn how to spell. Laser beams and negative resistance, alpha decay particles within the neutrino particle mixtures in the liquid argon gas laser beams. Again, if you don't know, there is formulas for all those too. Circuit side seeing tau neutrinos, mass particles, crystals, Higgs boson signals, piezoelectric vibrator, appears red spectrum, blue visible lights. Set to a narrow band, pencil ribbon electron laser beam, diffraction, obsidian mirrors, plus 6 quadrupole magnets, 4 monopole magnets. See Wow line 22 structure diagram formulas. RF, hold on, we need a frequency there. Plus nanotechnology frequency suppress, unwanted vibration, oscillator proton electrons around the outside of the laser guns within the Higgs boson electric field signals. Keyword, a series fed tuned collector Armstrong oscillator is going to be researched in the next video. Thanks for watching.